I think y'all already know what time it is. It's time for what? Another unboxing. Man, I got so much stuff coming in from DHL. I think I need to put some stock in it. You know what I'm saying? Fresh shipment once again. DHL Express delivery. Straight to me. You get yours, it's straight to you. Already. Well, let's cut it open. Fresh off the truck. They coming like back to back right now. Getting hot on these streets. Nothing like a fresh unboxing. Already. Uh-oh. Pt.4, 100% original. Uh-oh. I don't think they're ready for this one. Oh, what? What? Oh, y'all didn't see it? Let me make sure y'all can see it. You are okay. It's that U-Rock. That U-Rock right here. Go. Trying to get that merch going. You know what I'm saying? Like I always say, whatever you're going through, you are okay. Don't let this world beat you down. Fight back. Stand on your own 2 feet like a pillar. Stand strong on them. You know what I'm saying? Stand strong on them. Don't let them get you down. Make you feel bad about yourself. Custom box. Custom box. Gotta be loving these here. Gotta be loving these designs. And I be doing this. You know what I'm saying? Me. I be doing this. You know what I'm saying? Just gonna admire this box. Box on fleek. Magnetic flips. Y'all know how to get down. Custom everything. You know what I mean? And I'm wearing a white tee. Ha ha, you already know. Look at this stuff. Look at that. Some Pt.4s. 100% original. Be you. Don't let nobody try to make you into them. Right? And left. Get that box out the way. I don't want to ruin that. That's a collector piece in itself. I think y'all know the tradition by now, right? What's the tradition? Take a whiff of that. You know what I mean? Look at that. Look at that. What I call these? Italian ices. You know what I'm saying? Italian ices. Yes, that is a marble soul. That is marble on your soul. When you seeing something like that? Get that. Oh my goodness. And once again, this here color, go with everything. Put them on. Man. Put them on. Put them on. Put them on. You know what I mean? Man, look at that. True custom kits. And when you order them, guess what? You get them. I don't get them. I don't touch them. They go straight to you. You the first and should be the only foot in them. You know what I mean? Like things like a work of art. Put these in an art gallery somewhere. You know what I mean? outdone myself once again. Tell me what y'all thinking about these here. Italian ices. For law. 100% original. Y'all see it? That means be you. Don't be what everybody else wants you to be. Be you. And style on them at the same time. Already. Style on them. Style on them. You know? I think I'm getting it down pat. What y'all think? I think I'm doing it. I don't think I'm getting them. Coming for that shoe industry. Gotta start somewhere, right? I think I'm starting pretty good. Can't get no better than this. Or can it? Classic kicks right here. Instant classics. Instant. May just cop two, one to wear and one to look at. You know what I'm saying? Don't forget, unisex men 7 through 13 and a half, right? Ladies 6 to 10 and a half. You and your boo can rock both of these too. Y'all already know. You already know. Get your twin set. You know what I'm saying? You, your lover, your mother, your brother, your secret other. You know what I mean? Whoever you trying to buy something for. Matter of fact, buy something for the whole family. Y'all stunned at the family reunion. You know what I'm saying? Y'all have matching shirts and shoes. Figure that out. Yo, I may try to break into this kids game too, man, so we can get some kids shoes going. You know what I mean? Put these on your babies. Yeah, have your babies rocking them. You know what I mean? All day long right here. All day. Man, I don't know what to tell y'all. I'm just like fine wine. I'm getting better. You know what I mean? Yo, to the next unboxing. Y'all already know. You rock.